The data is generally allowed to be updated up to 8 times a day in most cases, and that's managed through the dataset settings. Inside of your workspace, you'll see dashboards, reports, and then you'll see something called datasets. The datasets will have a settings for how frequently you want to update them. And depending on the dataset, you can either schedule hourly updates, or for some datasets, such as this one, if you look at the settings, you can actually set up a data gateway. And the data gateway is a way to connect to an on-premise data source. In some cases, you can set it up, for example, on some sort of frequency. So for example, if I want to run it where it refreshes on some sort of interval, I can say, keep it up to date every 15, 30 minutes, hourly, weekly, and that will determine how frequently it caches a direct query to the dataset. But it typically involves this Power BI data gateway. And again, this is an admin tool that we install also from downloading this Power BI data gateway. And that would live on one of your on-premise servers. And you would set up parameters for that gateway. There's the settings for the gateway where you can configure how those gateways update. So for example, this gateway will have different data sources. And those data sources might be one of your internal databases. And they'll have a connection to your internal SQL database that you can then retrieve data from.